In this video, we're going to be replacing the driver's side front marker light on this 2005 Honda Element. The process will be the same for the passenger side. Okay, so our old light here is very brittle. Off camera, we just attempted to get this behind it and it just flew apart. So what you're going to want to do is be careful. Use a plastic pry tool, get in behind the light. There's a clip here, and a clip right here. So what we're going to want to do is pop these 3 clips out. We're going to try and get in to this clip here, pop it forward. When you have that, you can kind of work your other 2 out. The front one will come out. So on the bottom, let's disconnect our light first. Just press the electrical connector tab and pull out. On the bottom, you'll see a little bit of a hook. So this is going to hook down onto the plastic. So when you remove this, it's going to come out and then off. Your new light is going to go in bottom first on this little hook onto the plastic. So we're going to connect our electrical connector, push to click in. Then we're going to sit our bottom in first and push into seat. At this point, you want to just check the operation of the bulb, make sure everything lights up and works the way it should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.